Hey guys, here's my 20-inch hair box fan, and it's finally time for our third video of it. It's December now, so yeah. This is not just a 20-inch box fan, it's also a 20-year-old box fan. So it's one of the oldest box fans I own. It's not the oldest. The oldest box fan I own is the Kmart box fan, which is the one right there. And that's maybe 50 years old. It's probably 30 times older than this bad boy. So it's got the really small grill slats here in the middle, which is kind of nice actually. I do like them. The hockey stick shaped blades that are pretty cool still. This super sus handle that just flips. I guess I'll demonstrate that here. Here's the switch and the hair logo off, low, medium, high. And then it says there was a warning label on it, not to use in a window. There's the back. This fan is getting kind of filthy. I haven't really done it. I don't know if I've done really anything to it. I might clean it soon so that it'll run like normal. But this has a bit of I guess a newer looking motor than the Kmart box fan right there. I'll do a comparison of these two box fans soon, probably in January. And then on the bottom, this box fan claims to be from 2004. Made in China, it says here. Yeah, it's from January of 2004. So it's going to be a 21-year-old fan, I guess. I guess probably next year. And yes, it does run. So we'll go ahead and start it up on high. Thinking there was buzzing sound right here. I don't hear it. It's supposed to be from the left side, not really the right side. It's not performing all that well. But yeah, it's still kind of filthy, so it might need to be cleaned soon. But yeah, medium. Also, this box fan has a really thin frame around it. It's only about 2 inches. And low. Back to high speed. And off. It's a really nice box fan. Like all these box fans I have, they don't have the feet on them, so they will fall over if you run them, so you have to put something behind them to hold them up. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.